In this demonstration we'll configure a split scope. On LAN server 1 we already have DHCP installed and authorized, and we also have an existing activated scope with a start IP address of 172.16.0.100 and an end IP address of 172.16.0.200. We'll now create a split scope by right clicking the existing scope, going to Advanced and selecting Split Scope. The first thing we have to do in the DHCP split scope configuration wizard is add an additional DHCP server. We already have DHCP installed and authorized, and there are no scopes configured on it. We'll now add LAN DC1 as the additional DHCP server. And we'll wait for it to be verified. Our next task is to determine the ratio of addresses we wish to have available on each server. You can split the available addresses by moving the slider up or down, and you'll note the change in the percentage values and in the start and end IP address values. We will create an 80-20 split with 80% of the available addresses being assigned to the primary or host DHCP server and 20% available from the secondary or added DHCP server. The next task is to specify if you wish for a delay to exist on the response of either of the DHCP servers. We'll specify a 5 millisecond delay on the added DHCP server. This way we will ensure the host DHCP server will still serve as the primary responder for client requests, and the added DHCP server will only allocate addresses when the host DHCP server is not available or delayed responding. We now just complete the wizard by clicking Finish and Close. Now we'll look at the address pool on the existing scope. And refreshing the console, we'll see that an exclusion has been added from the range 172.16.0.180 to 172.16.0.200, and this corresponds to 20% of the existing address range available. We'll switch to LAN DC1. We'll refresh the console, and we'll see the addition of a scope. We'll activate this scope, look in the address pool, and here we'll see the entire IP address range listed, and the IP addresses from the LAN server 1 being excluded on this DHCP server, i.e. 172.16.0.100 to 172.16.0 to 179 being excluded from this DHCP server, the reverse of what was listed on the LAN server 1 DHCP server.